moisture meters are, primary tool in our industry. We couldn't do our job without it. I mean, there's some other old tricks that people would use where they use a voltmeter, continuity tester, touch the surface with their hand, and we kind of laugh at it because, that, yeah, you can get a general idea. Maybe you could say there's a good chance it's wet, but really you need that moisture meter to be able to say for sure, hey, this is wet, and we need to do something about it.